Okay, so hi guys. First of all, I am very delighted to say that I crossed 2400 rating on LeetCode. This is my account, and in this video, we will be solving the LeetCode daily challenge for August 17th. And in this question, the question is 0 1 matrix, and in this question, we have been given a m cross n binary matrix mat, and we need to return the distance of nearest 0 for each cell. Okay, and the distance between two adjacent cells is 1. So in this example you can see, like, for all these cells, distance of the nearest 0 because they are they itself are zeros, and for this cell the distance is 1. You can see in the answers also. And for this particular matrix, you can say for these cells it will be definitely 0, and for this cell it will be 1. This for it will be 1 because we can directly go there, and for this also it will be 1, but for this one we will have a distance of 2 because at least a path of length 2 will be required to reach any cell containing 0. So the question is pretty simple. What we need to do is, let me show you. Okay, we can do it in this way. So let's say we have some binary matrix. Okay, I think it's okay. Now every cell must be containing some 0 comma 1, 0 1 0 0, okay, like this. So what we will do is we will do a multi-source BFS, and initially what will be in our BFS queue, like in BFS data structure, while we implement, we maintain a queue of coordinates. So what will be the initial coordinates? Those will be all the cells containing 0 initially, and then when like we will move to the adjacent, like unvisited adjacents, and we will increase the length by 1. Like for example, all other cells are filled with 1. Then when from this one we move to this one, we will say that like one length path is required to reach the nearest 0, and we are considered only unvisited cells, so that we do not update a value with a larger element. Okay, so let's implement the question. Firstly, find the dimensions. Okay, okay. Now we will also require some visited thing. Okay, and we will also require a queue to maintain the coordinates, and then we just iterate over our the initial matrix. Okay, and if this cell is by chance 0, then what we will do, we will add this current coordinate in our queue. Okay, and then we will iterate until our queue is not empty. Okay, and let's say the size of queue is queue dot size, and while this size is greater than 0. Okay, what we'll do, we'll say node will be queue dot call, and answer of, okay, we have not decided answer matrix. Yes, okay, node n cross m. So answer of node, okay, let's define something. Node into 2, I will be node 0 and j will be node 1. So answer of ij will be nothing but also we need to define some global parameter, let's say k. So it will be k, and for all the neighbors of this particular cell, let's find out the neighbor first. Okay, something switch there. Okay, yeah, and if this neighbor is falls in within the matrix, we will just check it, and it is also a not visited one. Visited spelling is correct. Okay, it is not a visited one, then we will make it visited, and also we will make this thing into our queue. Okay, enqueuing in our queue, and we just need to make them visited also. For that we need curly braces. Okay, visited of ij will be true. Now this happened. Okay, we just need to increment our k after every iteration, and we can just return our answer matrix. Also, let's define our dx array. It will be -1 0 0 and 1, and define the dy array. It will be 0 -1 1 0, and define the itsy function. So int I, int j, int n, and int m. We will be returning if I less than I greater than -1 and less than n, and j is greater than -1 and j is less than n. And I believe it's fine. Let's see if any errors are there. Okay, k is already defined, so let it be a capital K, and yeah, so for the two cases it got accepted. Let's like run it for all the cases. It got accepted, and we are getting 62% of the submission. That I believe is good. So what will be the time complexity of this approach? It will be nothing but order of n cross m, because like we need to visit every cell at least once. Like in while checking only we need to visit them, and after these things while doing the BFS we will we can definitely say that we will not be visiting more than n cross m cells, because we are checking that if we have visited it again. Okay. Yeah, so that's all for the video. Thanks for joining in.